everyone, it's Nelda. Welcome back to my channel and thank you for clicking this video. I hope you're all doing well. Today, I invite you to grab your journal and journal with me. Take this time to listen to your feelings of gratitude, and if you can, write them down. Listen to your heart and just write down the things that you are grateful for today. The journal that I will be using today is a handmade journal by Joanne Prince. It is a really beautiful journal and I love it. I am very grateful for her friendship and for all her support in all my work. I will be writing in all these pieces of papers that I embossed and coffee dyed, and I will just add them as inserts or to a page. When I received this beautiful journal from Joanne, it was full of loose ephemera and inserts, but I have used them in my other journals, so I will be using these. I am very grateful for the gifts that I received. This beautiful box is from Mary, who has an Etsy shop, and I will provide her link in my description. She purchased my digital image of Saint Francis and used it to decorate this box, and it is so beautiful. I love it. I am also very thankful for Barbara. She sent me this beautiful card and a ring. This is a faith ring which really fit my finger. And though I have not met her in person, I am so grateful for her friendship. I am very grateful for Virginie and for this gorgeous journal that she sent. I received this last December and I was so happy. I did not know that she was my swap partner, and this journal was so unexpected. This is the biggest journal that I ever received, and it came with plenty of laces and trims and beautiful ephemera. I will have a flip through in the coming days. I'm also very thankful for Tammy of Life with Granny T. She sent me beautiful gifts last December, but I can't show them to you now because I've used them already. And I am also very thankful for Karen from Singapore, who became my friend in YouTube and who sent me a beautiful card. I'm grateful for Sandy, for Alicia, for Joanne, for James. They have always supported and appreciated my work. I am grateful for all my subscribers, my community, and for all of the viewers. I am grateful for my life, my family, my friends, and my birthday coming up tomorrow. These are the things that I will be writing down in my journal today, and I hope that you take the time to write yours. I will play a relaxing music, and I hope that you take this time to grab your journal and write what you're thankful for. I will come back shortly, but feel free to fast forward if you don't feel like journaling or listening at this moment. I am back. Thank you so much for staying. So I have written down my gratitude in those pieces of paper and I will add them here. And that is what I do to all my journals. When they are finished, but I still want to use them, I just add pieces of papers and inserts, journaling cards, and find a place in the journal where I can put them. I used washi tape most of the time, or add envelopes or clips, or sometimes I even staple them to the page. There are also many times that I write on random pages, so just adding inserts and journaling cards here and there I find really fun. What about you, friends? How do you journal? Do you write every day, or do you express your thoughts by gluing images and pictures? Is there a particular time of day when you journal? I would really love to know. I prefer to journal at night when everyone is quiet and in bed, but today there are so many things that I remembered to write down, so here I am. Okay, so this heart I wanted to be in the center. I will write something really important here, and I want this to be part of the signature. I am using the same binding cord that Joanne used. So I will write here after recording this video. Okay, so I am done here. And if you are still with me, I thank you so much. And if you are not a subscriber yet, I hope that you join my YouTube family. Please hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it. Thanks so much for watching. God bless you. Bye now. Till next time.